Hello, and welcome back for another question. I have here, math is easy, step by step. So this is the second type of question using the diagram with the same facts. A large round pizza has 20-inch diameter, and is cut into 8 equal, exactly the same pieces. And you can see that right down here in this diagram. Now, not drawn to scale, that simply means I did my best. If you were to measure this pizza pie out, the pieces would not match. But according again to the instructions, there's 8 equal pieces. Each one of these is exactly the same with a 20-inch diameter. Now, here is the actual question that you'll see on your GED or your HiSET standardized math exam. Given the diameter of the pizza, which I just mentioned in red was 20-inch diameter. It's a 20-inch diameter. Given the 20-inch diameter of the pizza, what is the circumference of the pie? Enter your answer here below. So what I'll be doing is I'll be using this information in the first part of this video, 20-inch diameter, 8 equal pieces, to explain to you how to use a formula in order to find the circumference of a circle. I will be explaining and review key knowledge that you need to know, knowledge, skills, and abilities, what I call KSAs, in order for you to understand how to answer this question and finding the circumference of this pizza pie given the fact that it has a 20-inch diameter and 8 equal pieces. Thank you for joining me. Math is easy. Stick around for part 2, part 3 videos which explain step by step how to answer this test question in order for you to find success in these math, GED, and HiSET type standardized exam test questions. If I've helped you, please help me help others. Like, follow, share, and subscribe. Math is easy. Thank you for joining me. Take it step by step.